Hi guys, have you received an email from Microsoft saying your Office 365 subscription is going up by 40%? If you don't need the AI features like Copilot, you shouldn't have to pay for them. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your subscription at the old price step by step. Microsoft offers a plan called Microsoft 365 Personal Classic, which gives you the same Office experience without the Copilot. Here's how you can switch. So as you can see on the screen, I've logged into my Outlook account. If you go to your little cogwheel in the top right hand corner, click on this one, and then go to Account, and then click on Manage on the right here. As you can see, there's a Buy Now. I don't have Office 365 on this particular account, but you'd normally have a Manage button here. But even if you press that Manage button, you're still not going to be able to cancel it. The only way to cancel it is to contact Microsoft support. I'll leave a link in the description below. So in the search box, put Office 365 Personal. That's it. And press Enter. Ignore the self-help article. Click on Get Help. And then down here, click on Talk to an Advisor. This will start a live chat and ask them to change your subscription back to the Microsoft 365 Personal Classic. It took me 40 minutes on a chat with Microsoft just to get this change done. Something that should take 2 minutes. Microsoft clearly wants you to stay on the higher price plan, but now you know the workaround. If you don't need AI in all your documents and spreadsheets, there's no reason to pay the extra. So if you got that price hike email, contact Microsoft support, ask them to switch to the basic plan or the classic plan and save you some money. If this video helped you, share with someone else who needs to know. And if you want more simple tech solutions, subscribe to Tech with No Limits. If you got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to feature them in a future video. I'll catch you in the next one.